Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you should hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell so you get notified when I upload, because I'm not the most organized person and I don't really have a schedule. I kind of just do it. So that way you'll get notified. This is a Trunk Club unboxing. For those of you that don't know how Trunk Club works, you pay $25 however often you want to, and they send you a box of items curated to you based off a stylist from like Nordstrom. This is Nordstrom's box. So the items can get a little bit pricier, but they are super, super cute, and I love how they come to you. You can try them on and kind of do that. Remember, the holiday season is coming up and this would be a great present for someone. So if you decide to use Trunk Club, please use my link down below and help a girl out. You pay for these with all my own money. So someone suggested in my last Trunk Club that they wanted to see like full body, like full outfits. So as I was taking things out, I kind of sorted them and paired them together how I thought it would look decent still in the plastic. This isn't necessarily how I would wear these outfits, but I did try to kind of incorporate everything in the video that way. So I'm going to be showing you the items by how I tried them on instead of just randomly like I normally do. And I did try to get a full image shot of all of them. No guarantees. It was kind of hard with the pants, but I tried. So without further ado, we're going to start with the clothes. So the first thing that I tried on was this super pretty flowy striped dress. It's like a crisscross and it just ties in the front. I love the stripes. I love the neckline. I feel like this is a great early fall, early spring dress. I just thought it was so cute and flowy, and I love the way it hit my legs.
All I do is adore you all of the time. I like to
is the Leaf sleeveless belted tunic, and it is $69. I think that dress is so cute, and I kind of think that's a decent price. Like, it's not the best price in the world, but it's a pretty decent price for that dress. I do really like that dress. Unfortunately, I have gone on a lot of trips lately, and I will not be able to afford to keep everything that I like in this box. The next thing that I just tried on over that dress, I don't necessarily think these go together, but I don't necessarily like this either. It is this Chelsea 28 fox fur teddy coat, and it's $142. I don't like it on me. I think it looks too big. I think it looks too poofy. Don't get me wrong, I think this would be a really warm jacket. It's like suede on the inside and it feels magnificent and super warm. I didn't like the way it looked on me. I think it's overpriced and I'm just not a fan. So I will not be keeping this jacket.
I like to love you every day. I like to love you.
Next we're going into like a whole new like outfit piece, so just things that I tried on together. These 1822 denim straight leg ankle jeans, and I just didn't care for the way they hit my legs. These are $42. That's actually a great price for a pair of jeans, especially some of the denim that I've gotten from them. They do feel like amazing quality. I'm just not a fan of the way they fit my leg. I don't like it. I don't think it flatters me. So unfortunately, even though this is a great price for a pair of jeans, I will not be keeping it.
I like to love you, if I may. I like to love you.
However, with these jeans, I tried on this Gibson Living in Lace Betty Camisole, and it is $56. I actually have a top very similar to this in navy blue, and I actually wear it all the time. However, I'm not a big fan of this black on purple. I just think it's too drastic, and it's too much like a nighttime sleep shirt, if you know what I mean. It's not really like a wear out in the day shirt because of the color change. Also, it just fit me way too big. Like, I just didn't like the way it fit my body. It made me this was bigger than it needed to be for me. I needed this to be like in like 3 more inches. So for that, I will not be keeping this.
I'd like to love you night and day, if I may. I'd like to.
Over top of that though, I did try on this gray sweater. It's just a gray sweater. It has little holes for your thumbs, which I love. If y'all have been watching me forever, you know in a Stitch Fix, I wasn't going to keep this sweater. Not this sweater, but another sweater in a Stitch Fix video, and then I discovered the thumb holes and I kept it. And I still wear that sweater all the time. But it's just this little gray sweater, and then it ties in the front instead of buttoning. I honestly could not figure out how to tie this for the life of me. To be honest, I still don't know if I tied it right. However, I feel like this gray sweater would be excellent for work. This is the off-duty ballet tie front sweater. It's $54, and honestly, I feel like this would be so good for work. I'm undecided what to do with it. I don't really care to spend that much stuff on work clothes because I ruin it, but I just feel like that is a perfect sweater for work. So I'm kind of undecided there. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.
I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you.
So that is all for that outfit group, and now we're in a new outfit group. So for this, I had this suede skirt. It just zips in the back. It's a pretty gray color. It has 2 pockets in the front. Those are real pockets. This is a blank NYC French gray mini skirt, and it is $98. That is way too expensive for me. Also, you can take these clothes to your closest Nordstrom and get them altered. However, I live in the middle of nowhere, so there is no closest Nordstrom. But it was just a little bit too big. Like if I could just take an inch off the waist, it would have fit me amazing. But it was just a little bit too big, and I couldn't get it to hit my waist right where I wanted it to. So I will be sending this sweater back. But, I mean, skirt. But with this skirt, I wore this Leaf black bodysuit. It's just like a long sleeve black bodysuit. It's $59. I will not be keeping it just because I think I can get a cheaper long sleeve black bodysuit somewhere else. However, I really like the concept of this. I like the way it cuts at the bottom. I like the way it fits. I like the way the whole thing fits. And I like the material.
Truly, I ain't got no business here, but since my friends are here, I just came to kick it. But really, I would rather be at home all by myself, not in this room with people who don't even care about my well-being. I don't dance, don't ask, I don't need a boyfriend.
Over top of that, I just threw on this turquoise turtleneck chunky cropped sweater. I absolutely love this thing. It's a cable knit to chilly sweater, and it is $55. I absolutely love this thing. Trunk Club has figured out the way to my heart 100%. I just love sweaters like this because you can be all like bundled up in a blanket, but really it's your shirt, and it just feels amazing. This feels like great quality. It's so soft. The sleeves are kind of like poofy. I can't think of the correct name for them right now, but they're kind of cuffed right here, and then the sleeve kind of hangs down. I just love this sweater altogether. I really want it, but I have to show y'all this black sweater and look at the price of this black sweater before I decide.
Somewhere in the corner under clouds of marijuana with this boy who's hollering I can hardly hear. Oh, with this music I don't listen to, and I don't want to get with you, so tell my friends that I'll be over here. Oh, here. Oh, here. Oh, I ask myself, what am I doing here?
So after I tried on that blue sweater with the same skirt, I threw on this almost exactly same sweater, but in black. This one is a little bit more knit though. It has a little bit more of the like see-through spots, so I don't think it'd be quite as warm. It doesn't feel quite as thick. The sleeves aren't quite as chunky, but as far as shape goes, it's the same. And I'm telling you, they learned the way to my heart. This is the cable knit turtleneck sweater in black, and it is $64. I will not be keeping this sweater. I think I am going to treat myself and keep this turquoise sweater, but I just feel like this one is a better deal for the money than this black one is. This one's much thicker and warm. That way I'm still keeping a budget, only keeping one sweater, but I got to try everything else on. With that black sweater, I also tried on a few jewelry pieces that Trunk Club sent me. So first they sent me this crescent moon gold necklace. I actually really liked this around the neckline of the turtleneck. Like, I liked it poking out and hanging out and giving that little touch of gold. This necklace is $36, and I just think you could go somewhere else and get something very similar for a much cheaper price. So I will be sending this necklace back. Also in my Trunk Club, I got this really pretty pair of gold and pink Peninsula earrings. However, they are also $32, and I will not be keeping them. And last but not least, I got sent this pair of shoes from the brand BC, Born in California. They're just like these black slide-ons with this little crystal effect. They are so comfortable. I absolutely love them. It says that they're for style, comfort, and they're vegan, so this can't be real leather. But I absolutely love these shoes. They are the Look at Me Now mule, and they are $55. However, I will not be keeping them, even though I absolutely love them, just because I have so many similar pairs of shoes that I don't even know if I'd have time to wear these. And also, I just can't afford a new pair of shoes right now. Maybe if y'all use my referral link down below. But I will be sending these shoes back. So that was it for this Trunk Club video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think of Trunk Club. And also, if you want to try Trunk Club, please use my referral link down below and help a girl out. I do pay for all of this with my own money. If you would like to keep seeing me, then please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that little notification bell, because I'm not that organized and I don't upload on a schedule. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!